Have you ever wondered if your healthy lifestyle is actually hurting your gut? What if I told you that some of the habits you've been proud of for years could be the reason you're dealing with bloating, stomach pain, low energy, or constant digestive problems? The truth is, not everything labeled healthy is actually good for your gut. Today, I am revealing 6 everyday habits that millions of Americans think are helping their health, but may actually be doing the exact opposite. And trust me, the last one is something almost everyone has done. Let's get started. Number 1, eating huge raw salads every single day. Salads are packed with vitamins, but eating large amounts of raw vegetables every day can be tough on your digestive system because raw fiber is harder to break down. If you often feel bloated or gassy after eating a salad, your gut could be struggling. Instead, try mixing cooked vegetables like carrots, zucchini, or broccoli into your meals. Cooking makes them easier to digest while still giving your body plenty of nutrients. Number 2, replacing meals with green smoothies. Green smoothies look healthy on Instagram and TikTok, but they aren't always a complete meal. Many are loaded with fruit, which means a lot of natural sugar, and they're often missing protein and healthy fats that help keep your blood sugar steady. If you love smoothies, make them work for your gut by adding Greek yogurt, chia seeds, protein powder, or nut butter for a more balanced meal that supports healthy digestion. Number 3, taking probiotics just because everyone else is. Probiotics have become incredibly popular, but they're not one size fits all. Different probiotic strains do different jobs, and taking the wrong one may not help. And for some people, it can even cause temporary bloating. Many people can support their gut naturally by eating fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, kimchi, or sauerkraut. If you're thinking about using probiotic supplements for a specific health condition, it's best to talk with your healthcare provider first. Number 4, cutting out all carbs. Low-carb diets can help with weight loss, but eliminating every carbohydrate isn't great for your gut. Healthy carbs like oats, beans, bananas, apples, and sweet potatoes contain prebiotic fiber, which feeds the beneficial bacteria living in your digestive system. Without enough prebiotics, those healthy bacteria can struggle, and your gut may not function at its best. Remember, your gut doesn't need fewer carbs. It needs smarter carbs. Number 5, snacking all day on healthy foods. Protein bars, almonds, trail mix, and rice cakes may sound healthy, but eating constantly can keep your digestive system working nonstop. Your gut naturally goes through a cleaning cycle between meals that helps move food and bacteria through your intestines. Constant grazing may interrupt that process. Giving your body a few hours between meals can help support normal digestion if it fits your health needs. And finally, number 6, using antibiotics when you don't really need them. Antibiotics are life-saving when they're prescribed for bacterial infections, but they don't work against viruses like the common cold or most cases of the flu. Because they kill bacteria, they can also reduce many of the beneficial bacteria in your gut. That's why it's important to use antibiotics only when they're truly necessary and prescribed by your healthcare provider. After finishing a prescribed course, eating fiber-rich foods and fermented foods may help support the recovery of your gut microbiome over time. The bottom line is this: good gut health isn't about following every health trend you see online. It's about making smart, balanced choices every day. So which of these 6 habits surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more science-backed health tips every week, and I'll see you in the next video.